Welcome to my channel. This is a question of class 11th trigonometry. This is as per this book. Question as per the NCERT syllabus of mark 3. Question is, prove that tan of 4x, this will be equal to 4 times tan of x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 to the power 4x. This is to be proved. Okay. Simply, this is the formula, use of the formula tan of 2a. Tan of 2a, this can be written as tan of a plus tan of b, a plus b. 2a is a plus b. b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is the general formula. Using of this, we can just write it as tan of 2a plus 2a plus 2a. Okay, this is left hand side. Okay, as per this formula, use of this formula, we can write it as tan of 2a plus tan of 2a upon 1 minus tan of 2a square. Okay, clear? Is it this clear? Okay, now next step. This further can be written as 2 times tan 2a. Okay, upon 1 minus tan 2a whole square. Okay, okay. In this case, further we will use that tan 2a. Tan 2a can be written as tan of a plus tan of a, it means 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Okay, replacement of this is tan a plus a, है ना, as per the formula of this a plus b. This is to be replaced by this upper one, 2 into what is tan 2a, this 2 into tan a upon 1 minus tan स्क्वायर ए. 4 तो आ गया. ओके, ठीक है. अपॉन 1 minus tan 2a square, it means square of this 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. This square of whole this. Okay, 1 minus tan 2a. Tan 2a, in place of tan 2a we can write the formula of tan 2a. Now this can be written as, this is 2 to the 4 times tan a. Okay, in the numerator of this will get down, and denominator is 1 minus tan square a. This portion, only of this portion. Now over this is a whole square, it means it can be written as 1 minus 4 tan square a upon 1 minus tan square a whole square. Okay, clear? Now this is single power, this is square power. Denominator mean it is to be solved, denominator. Now we are solving the denominator. Denominator. Denominator, our denominator is 1 minus 4 tan square a upon 1 minus tan square a whole square. This is our denominator. So that we are going to solve this only denominator, this portion. Okay, this is to be remember. Okay, this is 1 minus 1 whole square, 1 square plus 10 to the power 4a minus plus 210a. No, we can write it as such, 1 minus 10 square a whole square. Okay, now 1 minus 10 square a whole square. This will be multiplied by this, will get whole square. It's to be open here. 1 plus 10 to the power 4 a minus 2 10 square a minus 4 10 square a. और इसको फिर से आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन, फिर से रिपीट करते हैं इसको. देखिए फिर से 1 माइनस 10 स्क्वायर ए विल रिमेन सेम डिनोमिनेटर में. इसका इससे मल्टीप्लाइड होगा, इसको ओपन कर देंगे तो होल स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस इनटू 1. इट मींस 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस 10 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 10 ए 10 स्क्वायर ए 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 10 टू द पावर 4 ए हो जाएगा स्क्वायर का. 10 टू द 4 ए माइनस 2 इंटू 1 इंटू 10 टू ए और माइनस 4 10 स्क्वायर ए. Okay, this 4 and this 2 will get added each other. It will be 1 plus 10 square a minus 6 10 to the 4 a, sorry, this is 10 to the 4 a minus 6 10 square a. Correct? Upon 1 minus 10 square a. Clear? Okay, in place of this whole quantity, we can write it at this value. Now our equation become here. This portion will remain same, no change at all. 4 times 10 of a upon 1 minus 10 square a. It will remain same. But in place of this denominator, we can write 1 plus 10 to the 4a plus minus 6 10 square upon this. Upon 1 plus 10 to the power 4a minus 6 10 square a upon 1 minus 10 square a whole square. Correct? Now this is, in this portion, this is also the denominator, and this is the denominator of this portion. This is the square at the single power. This power will get cancelled with this and we'll get here. What we'll get? 4 10 a simply. Okay, 4 10 a upon 1 plus 10 to the power 4a minus 6 10 square a into 410 into this single power. One power has cancelled with this, the single power will remain here. 1 plus 10 1 minus 10, sorry, 1 minus 10 square a single power. This is get proved, I think so. 1 minus 6 10 square minus 6 10 square plus 10 to the power 4 plus 10 to the power 4. 4 into 10, 4 10 to 1 minus 10 square. This is get proved. Okay. Once again I am going to repeat this. This is the formula. This was the solution. First of all, what we done? हमने क्या किया कि 10 to 4a को तोड़ दिया 2a plus 2a में. Then 10 2a as per the formula 10a plus b is can be written as 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. That is 10 2a plus 10 2a upon 1 minus 10 2a whole square. Okay? 10a to 10b. A is also 2a and b is also 2a. Total result will be 2 times 10 2a upon 1 minus 10 square. Now that's 2a further. इसको फिर से formalize किया 2 into 2 times 10a upon 1 minus 10 square a 1 minus 10 square a whole square. This portion was the square of 10 2a whole square. This portion is further opened as per the formula 2 10a upon 1 minus 10 square a. Okay. इसको सॉल्व कर लिया न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में आपका अपने आप से आ जाएगा. This is only simply the substitution of the formula. Okay, this was as per of marks at least 3 marks का NCERT. ये 2014 में आया. 2014 में आया. ओके, इसको करिए. समझ में आ गया होगा. 10 4x है, इसको इसके बराबर प्रूव करना है. 4x को 2x प्लस 2x में तोड़ा, 10 2x लिखा प्लस 10 2x. दो a प्लस बी का फॉर्मूला लगाया. a को भी a की जगह 2a और b की जगह भी 2a. तो ये फॉर्मूला लगा. फिर दोबारा जब ये जुड़ जाएंगे दो टाइम a हो जाएंगे, इसमें फिर से फॉर्मूला लगाया a प्लस बी का. उसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप उसको सॉल्व करते जाए तो अंत में ये आ जाता है. ओके, थैंक यू. आई थिंक आपको कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया होगा, समझ में आ गया होगा. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe it. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.